Litmus Edge allows you to take the data from your industrial machines and send it directly into Azure, AWS, SAP, and other cloud, big data, and enterprise applications. This allows you to seamlessly integrate OT with IT by sharing data across the organization. Let's have a look and see how we do this. So we currently have a Modbus PLC collecting data from a mixing machine, and we set up a tag that is collecting the power output for that particular machine. And what we want to do is send the data that we're collecting from this tag directly into Azure. So to do that, we head over to the integrations, and we're going to set up a new integration. So when we click the plus sign, we're provided with a list of all the different providers that we have out of the box integrations to. So you can send it to databases like SQL Server, you can send it to Kafka, Amazon, IBM Watson, Google. What we're going to be sending over to is Azure IoT Hub. So we'll select that. And we give you a screen that then allows you a step-by-step guide into what information you have to provide. So first, we'll give it a name, and we'll call it Azure IoT Hub. And we'll need the host name of your Azure IoT Hub. In our case, it's litmus test dot azure devices dot net. Port will remain 883. You will need the device ID, and this is a device ID in your IoT hub. And you'll need the shared access key, which I'll paste in here. And you'll need to replace this device ID as well with the representation in Azure Hub. And that's it. Click Add, and it will attempt to make the connection. So it's trying to do that. Once it makes a connection, this will turn green, and then we'll show you how easy it is to set up a tag to be sent to Azure. So there it is. So now if we click on this and we go to tags, we can then set up a integration via a subscription. So we can choose local to remote, which means from the edge to Azure, or we can also send data from Azure or the cloud application back into the edge. So we're going to choose local to remote. We're going to pick the local data topic. And if we click on the search here, we can see all the different topics we have available. We want the power output. We choose it. It's going to default to this data topic, and we can give it a quick description of power output, and we click enable to turn that on. And as you can see, that's it. That data will now start to flow as it's pulled up into Azure. Now keep in mind that you can also use loop flows to manipulate that data before it goes up to the cloud applications, but that's as simple as it gets. So integrations with Litmus Edge, very, very easy. Find the data that you want to send, make that connection locally, set up the subscription, and send it to Azure.